There's only one thing better than one of Mexico's favorite desserts, tres leches, and that is cuatro leches. This recipe adds dulce de leche in a layer covered with fresh berries. Super easy, super delicious. Let's get started. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna whisk these, and I have 8 eggs that I already divided. I have my egg yolks here, and I'm just gonna put them right in my mixer. And I'm gonna add half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. As my mixer helps me beat the egg yolks with the oil and the vanilla and the milk, I'm going to beat these egg whites with some sugar until they hold stiff peaks. So we're gonna do the 2 things at the same time. Watch me. I'm gonna start beating my egg whites, and then once they hold soft peaks, I'm gonna add my sugar. It may take longer than you think, but don't lose patience. You want to keep on beating until the mixture holds stiff peaks. Now that we have the 3 parts, we're going to make them come together. We have the egg yolk mixture, we have the beaten egg whites, and then we have the flour. And I'm going to alternate adding the flour mixture and the thickened egg whites into my egg yolks. So you want to make sure that it's very well mixed, but not overly mixed. So this is perfect. I have 2 baking dishes that I already buttered and floured, and I'm gonna pour my mixture evenly between the 2. So now I'm gonna put these in the oven, which I have at 350. They're gonna go in there anywhere from 22 to 24 minutes until brown on top, puffy, and when you insert a toothpick, it comes out clean. My 2 cakes for my cuatro leches have baked and have cooled. I have them right here. And now I'm gonna make the tres leches sauce. I have a cup of milk. I have a can of evaporated milk. And I have a can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm just gonna stir until it's well mixed. Then we're gonna build. I have my first cake. I like my cakes to be right side up. So first I flip to the board. You can see how spongy it is, which is perfect because you want this cake to soak up all the sauce. And then you're gonna poke tons of holes. And then you pour. Just enough so you will cover the top and you have some remaining on the sides, so the cake in the bottom starts soaking that sauce. And this is your 4th milk. Now, you can use dulce de leche or cajeta, and I'm just gonna pour it right here. I'm adding all of the sauce, and then I'm adding the berries. I have strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. This is like Latin America's version of tiramisu, but with sweet milks and fruit. Like, how can it not be amazing? Now I'm adding the 2nd cake. This is such a beautiful thing. Well, it's gonna get better. I'm gonna poke the 2nd cake. A cuatro leches masterpiece. The rest of the sauce. Ideally, you wanna let the cake rest in the refrigerator until it has soaked up all the sauce. So about an hour, and it can really be until you're ready to eat it. Now my cakes have absorbed most of the sauce, and I have heavy whipped cream that I beat with a little bit of confectioner's sugar. And you can get all of these ingredients at Kroger. Just spread it on top. This cake is fabulous for making ahead because the more it sits and soaks in the refrigerator, the better it gets. Ah, so beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more berries on the side. These bites for you. It's light, it's fresh. It's such a delight.